Good morning, students. Welcome to the SST class. Please take your SST text, page number 136-37. Today we will discuss about the major industries in India. We have seen what is industry, types of industries, other industries like agro-based industries, mineral-based industries, cottage industries. Today we will discuss major industries in India. Industry is one of the major occupation in India. A large number of people are employed and they do their living by working in the industries. Let us study about the major or large scale industries in India. These are quite very large in India. Like iron and steel industry. The tools and machines are needed in all the industries to work with, whether it is machineries or agricultural tools or any tools for that matter. Any work you are doing, we need some tools. So that is made of iron or steel, iron and steel. And so it is known as the iron and steel industry is known as the backbone of all industries. Backbone of all industries. Some of the important iron and steel industries are located in Bhilai, Durgapur, Rourkela, Bokaro and Jamshedpur. These are in India. So these are everywhere. Anything we do, any activities we do, we need iron or steel. Iron and steel. For example, now I am making a video, and there is a mobile, and mobile is fixed on a stand that is made up of steel. Not very strong steel, but it is made up of steel. So it comes from iron and steel industry. Simple thing. You are stitching a cloth, that needle, that is made from iron and steel. And big machineries, big vehicles, bridges, buildings, all are made. We need any farmer, they are doing farming, they are also using the tools made up of iron and steel. In the kitchen you have iron and steel everywhere. So that's why it is known as backbone of all industries, all activities. So textile industry is the oldest industry in India. Different types of cloth materials such as silk, cotton, jute, woolen, synthetic are produced in this. India is one of the largest producer of jute, cotton and silk. Mumbai, Kolkata, Ahmedabad, Surat, Madurai are famous for the textile mills where clothes are spun or prepared. Next one is sugar industry. So sugar industry is one of the largest industry. India is one of the largest cultivator of sugar cane, and so we have enough of sugar. So we are second largest sugar producer of the world. Sugar mills are always located near the farm where sugar cane is cultivated. So sugar cane is in our country, sugar cane is the raw material for sugar industry. In other countries like Cuba and all that, beetroot and all that is there. But here we have sugar cane. Next, tea industry is one of the the largest industries of the world. We are second largest tea producing country. The tea industry of India employs a large number of people, from plantation to the fermentation and package of the tea. So it's a long process. Tea is consumed by practically everybody, and so it is one of the largest industries, and then more number of people are occupied in this. Next one is the cement industry. Cement industry also, it is one of the oldest industry. It was 1904 it was established in Tamil Nadu, but systematically, properly was started in 1914 only. So now we have 124 large cement plants. That means factories, and smallest one are about 300, more than 300. It's written in the record it is 300, but actually it is more than that. Yes. Next one is the mining industry. What is the mining? Mining is digging out from the ground. So ground is dug out, and the minerals are dug out from the ground, and so it is known as mining. So mining industry in India is considered to be one of the major industries contributing to the nation's growth. India is a rich source of mineral like iron ore, copper, mica, manganese, coal, petroleum, etc. Next one is the IT industry. IT means information technology. That is, all the communications hardware and software are produced. There are Bangalore, Hyderabad, Pune, all Chandigarh also is there, one of them. So all these are important. So importance of industries. Many people are getting employed in this. Products becomes easily available in the country with cheaper cost. Economic condition of the country improves, helps in improving the people's standard of living. Effect of growth of industry. What are the effect? When it is industries are growing, what happens? Advancement, science and technology has been boosted. With the development of industry, India has become a self-sufficient country in various fields. Along with progress, growth of industry has also affected our environment, causing pollution. That means more industries means more emission of poisonous gases and discharge of poisonous chemicals, polluting the land and water and air. This is affecting our atmosphere, water bodies and land. But we have to make balance between the conservation and of our environment and also production. Conservation and production, both we have to balance it and then go to improve and develop. And so these are the good and bad effect of the industries. So this is what I would like to share with you. If you have any problem, you can surely ask me in other class, but this is where we have to stand. We finished our lessons. Thank you very much.